YouTube, how we doing? Got another one today. Make sure I'm good. Yeah, got another one today. Today I have a couple setups. I want to take you guys through. It's a couple setups, maybe like six. It is the week of April 6th. It's going to be a slow week for me. You will see with the setups. It seems like everything is just moving sideways, so I'm not going to force any trades. I'm also very close to passing phase two. I've made about I need about 1%, a little bit over 1% to pass phase two. So I'm not going to force any trades. I'm going to let them come to me. And so right now the market's moving slow. Um, None of the setups that I'm looking at, um, not looking too good. It's just slow right now. So I'm going to take you guys through the setup, what I'm seeing, and let's go from there. All right. So we'll start with GBP CHF. Again, if you guys have been following the channel, you know the strategy, you know what we're looking for on a daily basis. Let me get rid of some of these extra lines here. But as you can see, consolidating, right? If I draw the box around the bottom, you can see price is just moving sideways, right? There's not much going on here. I'm looking for a breakout of these highs, price to then come back, retest, and I would get in long. About here, stop loss would be right under, and I would aim, because I only need about a 1-to-1, it would be something like this. Probably just aim for these previous highs. And yeah, so I have my alert set here, and I'm just waiting for price to break out. If it does, if it doesn't, then we just wait and take the next setup. So next setup, NZD USD. Also, with all these setups, you guys should know I'm using TradeSafe for my fundamental analysis. All of these setups are backed by fundamentals, as you can see. NZD USD is -11 on TradeSafe, so you should only be looking for sells if this is a pair that you trade. Again, link down below. You get 10% off first month using TradeSafe. It's cheaper than it should be right now. So if this is something that you're interested in, I would definitely get on that before the price goes up. Gives you live news, account reports, bank reports, anything that you need for fundamentals. So let's go back to technicals. We have clearly a key level here. Price has tried to break out once. Didn't work. Where's my highlighter? Try to break out more than once, twice. Try to break out here, still didn't work. So again, we're just waiting for breakout to the downside. We'll wait for the pullback, and then we will get in short. Another good setup that I have that I'm watching. Let me get rid of some of these lines. Same setup, guys. NZD JPY. If you look on TradeSafe, it is -7. So we oh, my camera's in the way. Sorry. Let me put this up here. NZD JPY, as you can see down here, is a -7. So this is looking for sells. Does it make sense to have a camera up there? It does, you can see. So this is the setup, right? Same thing as the last two setups. We're just waiting for a break, retest. We will then get in, aim for the lows. These dotted lines to the left that I marked are just key levels, just something to be aware of. So let's say price comes down and hits a key level, hits this dotted line. Hold on, let me erase this. Just something to be aware of. If price does come down, I expect it to react to this key level. If it is strong bearish candles, I will take that as a breakout, get in, and then I'll probably will just aim for this key level here. And then even treat this as a next potential setup to kind of make that a little bit clearer. Something like this, right? Price comes down, denies it, right? Whatever. I would then look for another potential setup here. Pretty much same thing, right, guys? We're just looking at key levels, taking the breakouts, waiting for the retest, but then taking the breakout. So that's setup number 3. Number 4, we have AUD NZD, which looks pretty good. I already marked out with the path tool. What I'm looking for, it's the exact same setup. This one looks even better because we already have the breakout. We're just not looking for the retest. And we're hopefully looking to take the pullback around this 50% level. which is the golden level. If we go to TradeSafe, which is where I look to for my fundamentals, you will see that AUD/NZD is plus 12, which is fantastic for longs, right? That means it's another confirmation for longs that we will be taking into account. So that is setup number 4. Number 5, and again, the only setup that is bound to happen sooner than the rest is AUD/NZD, because the breakout already happened. Now we're just waiting for the pullback. For most of the other setups, there's no pullback right now. It's just consolidation. If I draw the box here, you guys can see prices. There's nothing to trade here. This is what I call no trade zone. If you see NTZ on any of my charts, it just means nothing in here is being traded. For me personally, I need breakouts and retests. So yeah, same thing as all the other setups. I'm waiting for breakout to the downside. I again marked a key level here, so I'm expecting price to react to this key level. Could also use it as a take profit. What is this? NZCAD, Euro USD, same exact thing, guys. Right, we are in the NTZ zone right here. We need breakouts, as I mentioned before I start showing the charts. The markets are really just consolidating right now. At least the pairs that I'm looking at, they're just consolidating. There's nothing to take for me personally. But I'm just giving you guys some setups that could go potentially next couple weeks, depending on how the market moves. That's another setup. Euro USD, GBP CAD, same exact thing, guys. If we look on TradeSafe, and all these setups I'm showing you are I looked at TradeSafe first, right? So GBP CAD is plus 9, so we're looking for longs, which is why I have my alert for the upside and not the downside. Let's say price does do something like this. Let's say price does do something like this and come back. I'm not interested because the fundamentals do not line up with shorts right now. I'm more so like 70% technicals, 30% fundamentals. But if it's showing clear bullish, like plus 9, which is considered almost very bullish, as you see, plus 12 is very bullish, then I'm not going to be taking shorts, right? Regardless of the technicals lineup. That's just me. That's kind of just how I've been seeing success. You guys can, kind of play around with TradeSafe and take trades basing off of it and come up with your own type of plan. But that's just one. Another setup, GBP JPY. We're kind of midway through a breakout, right? It's not the strongest, so I have my alert set, but it's not, this is clearly a key level, right? We have price try to break to the downside, reject. Now it's just kind of consolidating, and we're waiting for a breakout. So we'll see what happens with that one. Last setup is USD JPY. If we go to our TradeSafe, USD JPY is plus 7, as I marked out, as I have here. So we're looking for longs. I have plus 10 because that's what it was, I think, last week when I made this, when I put this down. But yeah, so we're just waiting. Same exact setup. We're just waiting for breakouts to the upside. Then we will wait for the retracement, wait for a bullish close, and then get in and hopefully aim for that 1-to-1, which is all I need to pass my phase 2. And that's pretty much it, guys. All right, just gave you guys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 setups that you could be looking to for the next couple weeks. All backed by fundamental analysis provided by TradeSafe, which is, again, link in the description for discount code for your first month. If this is something that you want to add to your trading. I'll also start to do like most important setups, I guess. Like I have 9, but the one that I see working out like the highest probability, I guess you could say, I'll start to add what that one is in the beginning of videos. I didn't for this one, but for the next one I will. So if you guys just want to focus on one setup and not 9, then I would be looking for this video at AUD NZD. We are plus 12 on TradeSafe, and we have our breakout. We clearly have a key level here. Price rejected it twice, followed by the breakout here, and we're now just waiting for the retracement. I do have this area marked out here. We have a demand zone that I can kind of see. But if price doesn't come all the way down here, right, if it does something like this, and then goes up, I'm fine with that. Either way, if I do get it, let's say I get in here, my stop loss will be kind of wide just because there is a demand zone here that could act as a another confluence and make the probability a little bit higher. So for me, since I only need like the 1-to-1, I would just do something like this. Stop loss being below this demand. And yeah, so this is the one setup that if you take anything from this video, it would be this setup right here, the AUD NZD. But yeah, get big. Thank you again. I hope you guys look at these setups, maybe take them if certain things line up and your strategy plays out. But yeah, thank you again. I'll be back with another video next couple of days, seeing if that AUD NZD trade plays out, if I enter, what happens, everything like that. And yes, see you in the next one.